That was so bitchin', Fred. Thank you.
Roger that. I got that on video over here. Did you get did they have that full power? Did they have the amp up? I can't remember if I was had my amp cricked up or kicked in or what. Yeah, there's some guys from Germany just called me and said his garage door is going up and down.
Yeah, you know what? For not audio coupled, that was great audio.
Hey, roger that.
I know it was incidental to your transmission being by FCC rules, but that was fantastic.
There's like, what, 2 inspectors in the whole U.S. of A? They're probably busy investigating jamming from Cuba.
Well, there is another circumstance where you can have music on the amateur airwaves, and that's to wake up the space shuttle.
I wasn't playing, I was doodling. I wasn't playing any music. Hey, I guess the space shuttle got a new solar panel, so it's even brighter now in the evening sky.
Space station?
I heard it's got a new solar panel on board, and it's even brighter now to the naked eye during the night sky.
November 1, Alpha Sierra Sierra?
Yeah. November 1 for...
Give me a good reason to chase that parked car. Okay, I just got my GoPro, and I got you on the spectrum analyzer. Can you guys do that again, please?
You know, I guess it would mix over at Brett's house, dog, because sideband, right? he could actually hear both of us.
It was pretty solid, like a 2-track recording.
Okay, I'll start the tempo, Dave, and then you could just keep beating and key up there. Maybe Brett can hear it. So, okay, here we go.
That's bitchin'. One's a guitar and one's a nose flute. Oh, that was so bitchin'. You guys have no idea. So cool. It mixed so well that you guys won't believe it till I show you someday.
Okay, you play the audio for us?
It's on a GoPro. It's we'll have to do a YouTube type deal.
I gotcha. I don't think I'm playing it right, but it's close enough.
Oh, that sounds good, Bob.
So anyways, Brett, what'd you do today? Anything interesting? Did you go over to the plane yard?
I didn't do much interesting today, but let me turn this off. We did have, actually, my daughter that came down from Washington, she's doing her PhD, and we had a birthday party for her, so that was interesting. the rest of the day was kind of, well, a waste. But we're ending on a good note. I'll talk to you soon.
What do you mean it was a waste? You mean you just didn't do a whole lot? You did a whole lot of nothing?
Yeah, that's right. Well, I did a lot, but nothing really got done. And Kilo Juliet 6 Kilo Hotel Victor. I'll be right back.